Hey, welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. Today I'll play a blues for you, which is the tune that we're going to do today. And it's inspired by Daniel Castro version, and so I put a link to the backing track in my description, as well as a link to Daniel Castro's version, as well as Albert King. So it's a great blues tune. It's got a really cool turnaround, in my opinion, so go have a listen. Kind of separated the lesson into two segments, so you have a rhythm option first, and then break that down, and then have a second rhythm option for you, break it down. So yeah, so please subscribe to my channel, and let's go check it out, and I'll see you soon. So we start off with a G minor 7, a C minor 7, and B flat 7, a D7, and a G augmented. That's it, but they sound really cool together. Okay, so let's go to the first part of this song. So that is the little lick that we're going to do, and your ring finger is going to get a little bit of exercise today. Okay, so we're going to strum, and then we immediately pick that lick. Okay, so we go from A3. We pick the A5, back to the A3, and then the 3D and the 5D. Okay. Now we're going to move that same thing down to the C minor 7. Do that same little picking, same little lick, just one string down. Again from 3D to 5D, back to 3D, 3G, and 5G. Play this 4 times. That you play twice, then it goes back to G minor 7, and we play that twice again. Next comes that B flat 7, and what we do here, we hammer on with our pinky on the 8th fret G string. And then we go immediately into the D7. And we do this slide to the 10th fret. And we're only moving the ring finger and the pinky, okay, to the 10th fret. And we do the hybrid picking. I use my pick for one string, and then my ring finger for the B string. Demonstrate that again. Goes back to the C minor 7. and then to the D minor 7. So what we're doing here, use the pinky on the 6th high E string, and then immediately slide to the D minor 7. Then goes back to the G minor 7 3 times. And then that G augmented, okay? This is the rhythm for sort of the first part of the song. If you want to, you can play it all through the song, the same over and over. But in the next segment, I'm going to show you a different way you can play that. So for the second part of this rhythm, we're going to play the G minor 7 down on the 10th fret, okay? And we do a series of sort of hammer-ons. And we do this 4 times. And then the C minor 7, we slide with our index finger. Okay, we're going to slide into the 8th fret, barring all 4 strings down here, but really only picking the 3 bottom ones. Okay, and then we do this little slide. And the slide goes from the 6th B and the 7th G. Take that whole thing up to 4th fret and 5th fret, same pattern. And then for that little lick, B3, G3, 5th fret D string, and then back into that pattern. And then back into the G minor 7 down here. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that quickly. And then of course it goes back into the G7. After that we're going to go and do exactly the same as we did in the first pattern. We go to the B flat 7. And it's done.